less fortunate children. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. A famous quotation of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, is indeed a wide opener for us. Halos 75,000 kabataan ang naninirahan sa mga lansangan na ang ilan sa kanila ay mga naglayas at inabandona ng kanilang mga magulang na naging dahilan para sila ay mamalimos, magnakaw, mga lakad, kumain ng marurumi at mga tira-tirang pagkain at higit sa lahat ang gumamit ng ipinagbabawal na gamot. Many street children nowadays wants to learn and go to school, but they don't have a determination and resources. Children are the ones who are very vital for deciding how the world is going to be after some years. So, if one can do some good in the life of a child, then they can have change. That is why I want to use this platform to be the voice of these children for us to finally hear them. Let us be the way to make their dreams come into reality in the simplest way we could. I believe every children deserve a proper house to live in, a proper food to eat, a proper clothes to wear, and especially a right education for them. How can we help our own industry if we will not be able to help fellow youth? So everyone, please help me to achieve their goals in the simplest way. I, Lerma Ortega, I intend to use my voice to help those children who don't have a voice to make not only Laguna, but the universe rather, a better place to live in. Thank you.